Using an American Express gift card on Shein is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open up your Shein website or app and log in to your account. After that, browse the Shein website or app and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you've added all desired items, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you need to input your name, phone number, and location and provide other details. When prompted to enter payment information, select credit card as the payment method. Next, enter the American Express gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After that, review your order details and confirm the payment using the American Express gift card. After successfully applying the gift card, review your order and complete the purchase. So that's how you can use American Express gift card to make purchases on Shein.